Hi, Louise Reynolds here. I am just on site in a building which was a former lace mill in Nottingham, and it's being currently converted into a number of apartments, and there are still some for sale. So I've just come to have a look at the building, look at some of the original features which are going to be kept as a character feature in some of the apartments and duplexes. So I just thought I'd give you a quick whirl around. So I'm just about to flick you around. Well, I'm not sure I can do that, so I will do it like this. Show you around here. It's all a bit dark. You can see it's quite, still in the picture there. The trusses, some of those will be retained as features, and some of the lovely brickwork around. So this is obviously open plan, but will be partitioned off for each of the individual apartments. And there it is. It's all quite dark here, can't you see? But you can see get the feel for some of the mix of red brickwork and the wooden beams and trusses. So yeah, if you are, I'll try and get some more light in this. If you're interested in investing in an apartment or duplex conversion in a former lace mills, trying to get more light, former lace mills, then please do get in contact, propertyventure.com, and there should be a link somewhere around this video. Thank you.